Costa Fabulosa.
Oh no!
Fascinosa.
No, Fascinosa is where we met.
Oh my God,
That's
it's
so
where we
cool.
met. Good morning, Nyan fam. How are you, everybody? I have a driver today. Nancy is driving today. I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy. Like the kids is sleeping. So guys, as you can see, we're going somewhere. It's very early, like 7 in the morning. Malis kami sa bahay around 4:30 or 4:45 na. And we have to travel 5.5 hours. No? Kasi Nancy has her day off. It's a 1 week day off and like 1 week vacation, so we decided na vacation with the kids, with the family. So today it's a very exciting day, even I'm so sleepy and Nancy is driving. I just woke up actually. It's very exciting because we are going to remember everything. Why remember everything? We're going on a
Where everything started.
We're going on a cruise. So not just a cruise, it's a cruise where actually me and Nancy met. So this cruise is very familiar for us because it's the countries we visited when we met. No? It's basically the Mediterranean cruise. How we call that in the ship? Giro della Morte. We call it like the Giro della Morte. It's the non-stop loop cruise because for the crew members it's not so easy. It's very difficult.
Yeah, you do that for 6 months in a row.
For 6 months you do this cruise. It's like everyday embarkation. No?
And you have where we are parking is the worst embarkation ever.
Yeah. So
I forgot they will take us a photo in the vacation.
yeah, they will for
forgot
sure.
about
So we are going in the Costa Pacifica, but this ship, me as a crew member, I never worked on Costa Pacifica. I think Nancy has experience with Costa Pacifica, but as a passenger, she didn't work also
It's
there.
my first cruise with my family, and it's the cruise that made me want to work on a cruise.
Yeah, okay. So that is Nancy's turning point too. Na gusto niya magtrabaho sa cruise ship. Alright, I hope there's still someone we know. I hope there is some friends that we know that it's really nice. It's nostalgic. Actually, yesterday nag-shoot ako with one of my friend. She's a photographer din sa barko. Meron kaming prenup wedding. So I told her na tomorrow I'm going with the cruise with the family. Really, it's crazy. Yeah, so it's really nice, but even nicer, better, even better, even more nice or better, nicer, whatever is it. If there is someone that we know and really have a little chit chat, they will see us with these two babies, two beautiful babies, and yes, and we still have 3 hours drive. Kaya medyo mahaba-haba pa itong biyahe natin. And then of course we will try to update. Since we are on vacation, we have time to vlog at least our vacations. No, not daily vlogs, but at least we have something for you to see.
Yeah, unfortunately, our daily life it's a bit
Difficult.
difficult to vlog because we don't have. We never meet me and here. It's very difficult to stay together.
Ecco guarda. We just arrived guys sa aming Savona destination and dito na kami sa port. So you can see if Nancy turned the camera, you will see the
Yes.
the
ocean.
the ocean.
The sea. Sorry,
The sea.
it's not here. Amore, guarda, qui a sinistra. There.
Later you will see perché we are still pure noi.
Got the flowers behind your back.
Alright guys, so dito na kami sa Savona. Mararating lang namin. At gising na yung dalawang bata, nag-stop over kami. At ngayon, nandito na kami after 5.5 hours. And finally, dito na tayo. Nakita na namin yung medyo visible na yung barko dito.
Dylan, com'è che hai detto?
Costa Pacifica.
Che non vedi l'ora? Looking forward to going on board.
Dylan's first time, obviously.
There you
Okay,
Yun.
so bike. Aspetta, I need to concentrate. The
Yeah, you
road,
look
it's
at
a
the
bit.
road.
The road,
There.
it's a bit.
Behind this tree, we see the yellow chimney. Just there.
Dov'è la nostra barca grandissima?
There. There.
Ma non
There. Adesso arriva Dylan, non ti preoccupare.
Now we are here, and we are.
bianca o blu?
Bianca,
Me and Nancy actually, we are very excited.
Mamma,
Because-
bianca?
e ha il
After-
camino giallo, ha un pezzo giallo sopra.
Come after 7 years or more. No, so after 7 years, finally we were able to see again the ship. And this one I
È
remember.
ancora troppo...
And very happy, very emotional. Let's see. We will.
Non
Eccola,
Sento la
eccola
bicicletta.
Dylan.
Qua di fronte davanti a noi.
Eccola.
Eccola!
Ce ne sono due.
Due.
Ce ne sono due e
Sì.
adesso vediamo qual è quella che prendiamo noi e qual è l'altra.
Ci sono due.
Quelle due sono delle due navi. Le vedi Dylan? No, in the video you cannot see
Ho
nothing.
visto il cammino giallo, e
Bravo.
due cammini gialli e un pezzo bianco della nave.
Esatto, adesso stiamo andando proprio lì.
Siamo arrivati qui.
Later I do the story. The story. Significa quell'altra cos'è? Fammi vedere.
Eccola.
Costa favolosa.
Oh, no!
Mamma, fascinosa.
No, Fascinosa is where we met.
Oh my god, it's where we met.
Andiamo?
My home for
Andiamo?
10 years.
It's dark, but it's okay.
Alle
Sorry.
barche!
My home for 10 years finally. Able to meet them.
It's funny because no emotion.
Guarda, Dylan. Guarda. Oh.
Sorry for the excitement, but it's very emotional.
C'ha le barche piccole!
La barca grande con le barche piccole.
Costa fascinosa, sta lì. Oh mamma mia, I'm back.
È grandissima!
Bellissimo.
Very emotional. Sorry.
Mamma, dov'è?
It's crazy.
Ecco il fiume!
Okay guys.
Questa
Okay
dove sta
guys,
la
you
rete.
cannot imagine how
Sì, ma'am.
excited we are. Ito yung barko namin ni Nancy Costa Fascinosa. Diyan kami nagkakilala ni Nancy. First meeting namin diyan.
Vogliamo uscire?
Okay, so alam nyo na, pagka-embark ni Nancy, the next day, in-invite ko na siya mag-date sa pizzeria. You remember the first night, pizzeria.
Not alone, we were
Yeah.
with other colleagues.
But we will go here in Costa Pacifica, correct? This is Pacifica, that is Fascinosa. Ito yung barko namin.
They are, we explained, they are twin ship, means
Twin
they
ship.
are actually the same size, no?
Mhm.
And
And
also
almost the same itinerary,
Yeah.
almost, but not really.
There are,
So,
there are three.
Imagine, yan yung barko namin guys. Imagine dyan kami nag-work. Imagine, ngayon, after 6 years, and dito kami ngayon, this beauty of the ship, it's crazy. I know, it's a difficult job, no? But
It's a lot of
experience, a lot of amazing experience, bad,
a lot of
good
memories.
memories. And it's really nice. So, finally, nandito na kami. And then, magpa-park muna tayo. Dito kami nag-park sa loob ng terminal. So, between two ships. Yan.
She's scared.
And, right. Pasok na kami after and then continue natin yung vlog, no? And you will see how excited me and Nancy, no? We're so excited actually. Very, very, very
Mami,
excited.
wala akong dalawa.
And also Dylan.
Extra.
Also Dylan.
Noah,
daw.
ni Mami.
Noah doesn't have a clue. But it's
No, he doesn't understand.
okay, bye. Eccoci. Ito na kami guys. Oh. Finally. Ito yung aming home port. Ito yung aming home port nung kami ay crew members pa lang. Mamaya, kayaan. Kayaan. Let's go. Go. Gary. Gary, Gary. Sorry. Ciao. Sorry, bye. There's a bunch of that one. Oh, how do you feel? Excited? Yeah, look, very excited. Tieni la mano, no, Dylan. Insieme. Very nice, para. Mettila sul nero là.
Qui nero gli fai vedere la carta?
Sopra.
Fai vedere? Verde.
Aperto. Spingi. Vai. Wow. Vai.
Qui è dove dormire in inverno next.
Wow, ito yung
Questo è
aming.
per tenere la porta quando puliscono.
Guarda. Guarda qua. Guarda la vecchia.
Guarda il letto vostra, Dylan.
No, è sì, no, è sì.
Dylan e Noah.
Qui c'è anche una lampadina.
Wow. Oh.
Ma il pezzo forte, sai quello di là? La finestra.
La finestra
Andiamo a
lì.
vedere la finestra?
Sì.
Aspetta.
Meron tayong balcony.
Siamo
So ito yung aming small cabin for today. Not for today, for the whole cruise. Eccolo, avete a vedere. Quella, now it's playing.
Daddy, c'è l'acqua.
Certo.
Stiamo partendo.
No.
Non mi ricordo a che ora parte, adesso lo vedo.
Le 6.
Dai.
Acqua.
Non stiamo partendo.
No.
Sì, perché
Ancora no.
Vedo che stiamo partendo.
So ito, mini cabin natin. Ayos na.
Piano piano.
Relax na muna tayo at medyo pagod sa biyahe at meron tayong later. Meron tayong extra ang tawag dito, emergency drill.
Lava le mani.
Pero nag-online na kami
Possiamo
kaya
mettere anche delle macchine qui.
i-finish
guarda.
na lang.
Possiamo anche mettere.
Per la crociera questa. Come vedete? Un libro. E questi la mettiamo posto. Questa. Siamo qua.
Abbiamo una camera perfetta.
Ito yung ating life jacket.
Tutte e tre le luci.
Andiamo il braccio. Okay, so emergency drill. Okay. Like always, so we are remembering everything. Now we see all the crew members. Oh, bye. Go. Bye. The actual setup. Setup ng photo. Ha? Monkey?
Semplice trovare i giochi. Quella su.
Dentro, sì, stiamo qua. Sopra qui. So, ito yung Photoshop. Photoshop! Nice.
I don't remember the number of the car.
The number of Costa card.
When you are exposing the photo,
See now, no more.
guys,
It's good that they no more. Also the printer print only the portrait. Some portraits.
Don't have to sit here. Don't take photos of the photo.
That's a theater. So, dalawang barko yung nandito. Costa Pacifica and Costa Fascinosa. Yan yung barko namin ni Nancy. Costa Fascinosa. So, nag-iikot-ikot kami with the kids. Nasaan na mama? Wala na mama. Wala na mama. Diyan mo dahil. Matugkadila. Magkadila. Hey, aqua si. Padala ko din na vela. Adalay namin. Wow, birds. Wow. So ito yung main port ng Costa Cruises, Savona. Oh. Huh? Hey. Wow. Wow. Still? And maganda na ang panahon kaya it's okay na mag-cruise. Bini ko after 5 days. So guys, masyado kaming very emotional kami ni Nancy. Talaga nakakabagabag damdamin na nandito kami sa barko at magpo-cruise tayo ng 8 days. Tomorrow nasa France kami, Marsilia. At tayo gada si Pa. Ada? Iba bedi. Sige. Ada. Oh, ada. Kita. Oh. Okay.
Don't you wanna get away? Don't you wish that you could play all day, just like you're footloose and fancy free, and you could dream wide awake. Don't you wanna take a drive? Don't you wish that you could feel alive? Let the wind blow through your auburn hair. What a pair we would make. Whether we fly, we drive, we walk or we cruise, we could find something.
So we're leaving Savona, we're going to Marsilia, France. Tomorrow nasa France kami.
Don't you
Hello.
wanna take a break? Spin the globe and then just pick a place, 'cause you deserve a little R&R.
Kain na kami guys. Nagpahinga kami saglit after namin sa labas. After ng patensa. Ay magdi-dinner na sa restaurant.
Salve, buonasera.
Masera.
Appena imbarcati?
Simile. Daming restaurant, New York. 227. 227.
Tieni tu.
I've been running in circles at 10,000 miles of pavement, trying to make it all make sense. I I've been underslept, overworked, overstretched. I'm exhausted, but I've had friends that have thrown me aside like a burned out cigarette. And times that I've taken it all, but then lost it. I've been misunderstood, tasted the bad with the good, but I still got a you. Oh. Ooh, no matter how hard it gets, we got the evidence. Ooh, and through all the craziness, only thing making sense beneath the surface, our chaos turns to peace. 'Cause true love runs deep. I got gravity pulling me under and into your magic. Because love is a mystery.
So guys,
But we found it in
we're back in our cabin at kami ay nag-cocktail ng tag-isa kami ni Nancy, nag-relax ng konti. Si Noah nakatulog na sa sofa dun sa Grand Bar.
Ce ne manca proprio una.
Oh, che tristezza. Oh, che fortuna. Oh, che tristezza. Oh.
So the first day of our cruise is finished. We are very happy and stressed and tired, you know. But we are happy kasi
Delle pecore che ce ne manca proprio una perché una è
we're very happy and we make some photos. It's just remembering all the experience, all the crazy things.
Poi lo chiamiamo e lo
Nung nagtatrabaho pa kami dito.
sta sotto la tenda e poi dobbiamo fare vedere una zampina e poi dice bene.
So guys, I finished the vlog here. Tomorrow nasa kami, Marsilia kami, nasa Marseille, France kami. So we start another vlog there,
Della
no?
scuola
Say ciao na.
che
Ciao muna Nyampam. Ciao
ce ne
Nyampam.
manca proprio una.
Ciao Nyampam.
Bacetto.
Let's ask Nancy. What do you feel?
Bloated.
Oh che fortuna.
Bloated.
Ce ne manca
We're confused about what we ate today. It's too confusing.
Because we spend the day eating.
Eating, yeah.
For breakfast, no lunch, we go for the dinner. Because in the restaurant was fun because
Questo che cos'è?
I took one thing like for him,
For
one
charging.
thing for the one thing each. In the end, Noah ate the one from Dylan, then he ate mine. Dylan ate mine.
Mami,
I
Nobody
ate
ate
something.
his one. I didn't eat mine.
la canti con
Main
me.
course.
La canti con me.
Main course.
Oh,
He didn't eat his. I did the one from Noah. Nobody ate mine.
Too many
You
things.
ate yours.
I'm confused.
But everybody ate his
Mamma,
own
qui c'è
sweet.
scritto.
Yeah, it's confusing. But anyway,
It's good that they put us together in in one table with another couple with 2 kids. So
nice people.
yeah, nice people. So they understand the struggle.
Yeah, it's like us, but more on the next level. Like 7 years old and 4 years old.
6 years old and 4.
Pero fa 7, fa 7 ha detto. O fa 6. Fa 6 ha detto.
Is it just 6 years old?
No, fa 6 e fa 4 ha detto. Fa 6 e fa 4. Quindi quest'anno.
Qui c'è due.
Poi Dylan in the theater became a friend with another kid.
Yeah, there's another kid that from that Dylan unlock a little bit of
Come si
shyness.
chiama the name of the kid in the theater?
Come si chiama? Il teatro?
The kid,
Quell'amico nuovo.
the
Nuovo.
new friend. You forgot already?
Alessandro.
Mattia. Mattia.
No.
Pa- Antonio. Tonè.
Alessandro.
Andrea.
Andrea.
L'ha detto 20 volte.
Nagkaroon
A un
sila
certo
ng
punto te l'ha
friend.
pure
Silang
ricordato,
dalawa.
perché tu non capivi come si chiamava.
A
un certo punto ha detto Andrea.
Però lui è molto aperto al bambino.
No, the kid very funny.
Mhm.
Quando lui è il papà e lui è il papà. E tu sì. E tu sei la mamma? Sì, sono la mamma.
He like speak like old. Our father also is funny.
Father came, we call him Matian.
He's the one that bring Dylan like in the stairs now. Go. Is that guy?
Ah, see? Really
Okay,
nice.
okay.
So guys, we're going to rest now. Okay, see you tomorrow. Don't worry. In Marsilia. Okay, Marseille, France. Good night, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye-bye.
Time to rest.